Interpol. Interpol stands for International Criminal Police Organization, an intergovernmental organization. It has 194 member countries and helps police in all of them to work together to make the world a safer place. In each country, an Interpol National Central Bureau (NCB) provides a central point of contact for General Secretariat and other NCBs. An NCB is run by national police officials and usually sits in the government ministry responsible for policing. Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) is designated as the National Central Bureau of India. Interpol notices are international requests for cooperation or alerts allowing police in member countries to share critical crime related information. Notices are published by the General Secretariat at the request of a National Central Bureau and are made available to all our member countries. Headquarters of Interpol, Lyon, France. Interpol Metaverse. Interpol has developed its own virtual reality space to help users train and attend virtual meetings. This new virtual reality space can be only accessed through secure servers. It helps police officers to experience metaverse, offering them an idea of what crimes could take place and how they could be handled in future. Different types of Interpol notices. Red notice, wanted persons. Yellow notice, missing persons. Blue notice, additional information. Black notice, unidentified bodies. Green notice, warnings and intelligence. Orange notice, immigrant threat. Purple notice, modus of operandi. Interpol UN Security Council special notice, groups and individuals subject to UNSC sanctions. Funding. There are two main sources of income: statutory contributions from our membership. Each of our member countries pays a statutory contribution to Interpol each year. It is an obligatory payment. This contribution is based on economic weight. Second one, voluntary funding for our activities. Most of the voluntary funding comes from government agencies, notably those responsible for policing, but there were also smaller contributions from international and non governmental organizations, foundations, and private entities. Decision making of Interpol. General Assembly takes decisions. Each member country represented has one vote. Decision making process is made by either a simple or two-thirds majority depending on the subject matter. Global Complex for Innovation. Based in Singapore since 2015, the Interpol Global Complex for Innovation is the center of our activities in cybercrime, research and development, cybercrime, and capacity building. It also provides an Asian base for the organization in several crime areas. Types of rainfall. On the basis of origin, rainfall may be classified into three main types: the convectional, orographic or relief, and the cyclonic or frontal. Convectional rain. The air on being heated becomes light and rises up in convection currents. As it rises, it expands and loses heat, and consequently, condensation takes place and cumulus clouds are formed. With thunder and lightning, heavy rainfall takes place, but this does not last long. Such rain is common in the summer or in the hotter part of the day. It is very common in the equatorial regions and interior parts of the continents, particularly in the northern hemisphere. Orographic rain. When the saturated air mass comes across a mountain, it is forced to ascend, and as it rises, it expands, the temperature falls, the moisture is condensed. The chief characteristic of this sort of rain is that the windward slopes receive greater rainfall. After giving rain on the windward side, when these winds reach the other slope, they descend and their temperature rises. Then their capacity to take in moisture increases, and hence these leeward slopes remain rainless and dry. The area situated on the leeward side, which gets less rainfall, is known as the rain shadow area. It is also known as the relief rain. Different types of clouds: cirrus clouds, cumulus clouds, stratus clouds, and nimbus clouds. Evaporation and condensation. Dew point